song we do. It's got the F word in it, so
Ooh, it's okay. You can use it. That's okay. You never listen to John Lightning. He's fucking filthy.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, you can.
We're not fucking filthy, but
No,
we're...
you took a shower today, so you're clean.
No, we're not. We're just psychotic.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're fucking clean. Here we go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I'm charmless,
So fuck me.
I'm charmless, I'm charmless, so fuck me.
Well, it's got you by the ear. Tell you what you wanna hear. Why it is not exactly clear. I seem so insincere, 'cause I'm charmless. So fuck me.
I'm charmless, so fuck me. I don't even give a care. They put lollipops in my hair, took my shirt off in a dare, dyed it purple so I would scare.
'Cause I'm charmless. So fuck me.
I'm charmless,
So fuck me. Yeah, yeah,
Take it.
yeah. Charmless. Charmless.
'cause I'm charmless, so fuck me. I'm charmless,
So fuck me.
Monkey's got more friends than me. Don't sit here, sir, I probably, well, I really smell like pee, hanging upside down in a tree.
'Cause I'm charmless. So fuck me.
I'm charmless,
So fuck me.
go.
Okay. You say I'm charmless and you're quite right. Box exactly like my bite. Not political, not polite. Therefore I'm full of shite. 'Cause I'm charmless. So fuck me. I'm charmless. So fuck me. I'm charmless.
I'm charmless,
She's charmless.
he's charmless,
We're charmless. We're charmless.
so fuck us.
The Charmless polka. Could you hear the washboard?